Okay, the idea today is to make strips from 5+ inches into this for parts. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to set the system so you don't make any mistakes. This thing out, this thing out. Here, you make a master. You always have a master for all your parts, and this is how you set your system. This is your fence here. Okay, so the first thing you do, you put your master down, bring your saw into cutting position right here. That's where you're supposed to cut. Put your master against the blade and move the fence against the master. Okay, so now you know you have exact measurements, no problems. So you lock the side. Okay, take the master out from here and bring the master over here. Your saw back again, right here. Move the fence. Don't over tighten anything here, just move it a little bit and tighten it. So now you know that these parts are going to be all the same with this one. Okay, that's number one. Now let's say you want to be sure that everything is set right. It's another way to do it. On top of it, you can use the router upside down. Just remove the sliding arm and put them upside down. This is the smart router. Come over here. As you can see, the sliding arm is touching the fence on the outside. No problem. Move the sliding arm all the way down and make sure this side over here is touching again the same place. So now you know that you are perfect. So you double check with this. This is for very high precision. Now next step is to lift the bridge and move your stack under the bridge against the fence. Okay, if you look here, right here I have a stop, because when I cut this way I will push the materials that way. I want them to be stuck here. So I have a stop over here, I have another stop over here. The bridge comes down and applies pressure. Okay, and I'm gonna do something even more here. Same thickness materials to push everything against the fence. The bridge comes down. So this is what I call the dead wood concept. There is no way for this wood to go, for this plastic to go anywhere. The cut is going to be perfect, safe and easy. There is no kickbacks, nothing. Anyone can do this kind of work, very safe. Put them on the track. Start your cut. All done. Cutting 3/4 of an inch plastic is very, very dangerous. So I just show you how to cut it perfect and very safe. Now the next step is to bring back the saw, raise your bridge. If you have any dust over here, you can clean it, or you can use a vacuum. You can attach to the saw, wherever, and push the materials against the other fence. This is what is left from that piece, and you can tell there is same dimension. Imagine trying to hold this next to the blade and try to cut. Okay, now that's the leftovers. So we continue here. We clamp it. You don't have to clamp it, but it's much better when you clamp things down. Okay, so bring the bridge down right here and cut again. Yes, all this time, this is very precise cuts. You can tell they're always perfect, okay? And safe and everything. And let me show you the funny thing here. What I use a regular 40-tooth blade that I've been using it for a few months now. You can tell that this is a very old blade. Because the materials are under pressure from everywhere, everything works just perfect. Thank you one more time.